How to dropship from Aliexpress to Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to dropship from Aliexpress to your Amazon account. Are you just starting your dropshipping journey, or don't you know where to start? Or are you just unsure which suppliers can you give the best price? Don't worry, because in this video I will answer all those questions while telling you how you can start your dropshipping from Aliexpress to your Amazon account. So just open your Aliexpress account, and for this process you need two accounts. Basically, first of all, you need to have your Aliexpress account from where you will source all your products for your dropshipping on Amazon. And for selling on Amazon, you need to have Amazon seller account. If you don't know how to create one, I will going to tell you how you can create your Amazon seller account quite easily. But first of all, just we need to know that about the Aliexpress and Amazon a bit. So as we all know that the Aliexpress is undeniably one of the most affordable suppliers on market, and on the other hand, Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in existence. So by learning how to dropship from Aliexpress to Amazon, you can give your business a great chance at success. So in this video, you will get into the main feature of each platform. Plus, we will also discuss the advantages and disadvantages of dropshipping from Aliexpress to your Amazon account. So let's get into the video first. So first of all, just simply open your Amazon seller account, and over here you need to create your Amazon seller account in the Amazon Seller Central official website. Just simply click on Start Selling if you don't have the account already, and if you already have an account, you can simply click on Login from there and just simply enter your mobile number, click on Continue, enter your password, and you will be landed to this page where you will be asked to click here and add products. So first of all, you need to select the product and the category in which you want to deal. And if you haven't decided which product or the category you want to deal in, just simply come to your Aliexpress account and log into your account in the official website of Aliexpress. Since I have created an account where I need to, I don't have to sell 10 different products, because I have already selected my niche, which is books. You can select your particular niche while choosing the item that has been listed on the Aliexpress. So there are tens and thousands of different varieties or categories you can go ahead and select. For example, if you want to deal in homes and garden, you can select that. There are men clothing, consumer electronics, home appliances, luggages and bags, special occasion, hair extension and wigs, accessories, home improvement, automotive and motorcycles, shoes, women clothing. There's so many different options and categories to choose from. Aliexpress is so versatile in the categories, and it is one of the largest seller and reseller account platform, online platform. So before we get into the details of how you can dropship from Aliexpress to Amazon, let's understand what dropshipping is. And in essence, dropshipping is an online business model that enables sellers to sell product without maintaining a physical inventory of items. Thus, we can only purchase products from a supplier after a consumer buys from your store or whatever store or Amazon seller account that you will create. Additionally, this framework allows sellers to fulfill customers' order online. To simplify, the dropshipping only oversees the selling of products while still earning a profit. However, inventory, storage and delivery of items remains the supplier's responsibility, so you don't have to be involved in that also. And Aliexpress and Amazon are both popular and reliable dropshipping platforms. In line with this, let's now explore each platform and how they will work. So first of all, just go to the aliexpress.com, and we have already discussed that how big this largest e-commerce platform is. So first of all, just select your niche. So for example, I have selected my niche, which is books. So search for that. So in the books itself, you have different categories, like you can select books for kids, you can select book organizers, you can select bookshelf decoration, which is more of a home niche selection. So I'm going to select the books especially. So it involves all kinds of books, like book for adults and different other categories. So you can see that most of the books are in Chinese. So you can select books for English books in English or any other language of your preference. So as you can see that now we have a decent kind of listing in English. So you can go ahead and select the kind of books that you would want to list on your Amazon seller account. So for example, I'm going for this fictional story books, which is like The Girl with the Moon, and you can also select other categories in the same niche as well. So for example, I have already selected my particular list niche and the list or categories that I want to work in. But if you haven't decided which category you want to work in, you just simply do your research and just take your time with the product or the category you want to deal in. And once you have decided that, then only just come to the Aliexpress and search for that particular product or the niche in which you want to deal in. So don't hurry and rush into this process, because this process is extremely important, because this is going to decide your success in your dropshipping business. So you really have to take time with it. Don't rush into it, and just take your time and be very patient about it. So for example, if you choose this first book as I'm choosing right now, so just simply click on see preview, and over here you can see how many quantity and how many items do you want to purchase for this particular book. And once you have decided it, and just simply download the image from the website itself. And if you don't like the pictures over here, you can also Google the pictures, and you can also create pictures of your particular in your particular studio if you have it. And once you have the product and the pictures available, you just simply come to your Amazon seller account, and after that just simply click here to add products. And over here you need to start listing your products. Simply just enter the keyword. For example, you are dealing in books, just simply add the books first, comma, just enter the book name that you are adding as a category or the product into your product list. And after that you have to insert the picture of the product that you are selling on the Amazon seller. Just put the product ID also, and also a blank form, and just click on bulk template if you have template available for the product. And that's how, when you start listing the product, you can list as many products as you would want to sell in your Amazon seller, using your Aliexpress as your mediator, or from where you will source your products. And so yeah, this is basically how you will be able to drop ship from Aliexpress to Amazon. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.